Good day, new Telco member. Welcome to Telecontract. We are glad to have you with us, and we would like to just quickly orient you or introduce you to the organogram for the department that you'll be working in. You've joined the service delivery department, and in a quick few minutes, we'll just give you an overview of what that department looks like. Introduce you to some of the acronyms that stand for the different roles or job roles that are there in the department, just so that you're clear when you see these either in your job description or you see these on other documents that we will be introduced to shortly. All right, so just giving you a general overview. This is the operations department. In particular, you're joining the service delivery department, which is the right-hand side of the organogram. It's headed by the operations director, who under him has the service delivery manager. The acronym for service delivery manager is SDM. The service delivery manager is aptly assisted by an assistant service delivery manager, ASDM. And under the assistant service delivery manager directly, you have a network planning and documentation specialist, an NPDS. NPDS, Network Planning and Documentation Specialist. The Network Planning and Documentation Specialist concerns himself or herself with just ensuring that the network plans and the existing network infrastructure is well documented. So it makes it easy even for new members such as yourself to quickly and easily get oriented to what's on the ground. All right, going to the rest of the organogram, starting from the far left under the service delivery manager, we have a service delivery administrator, we have a service delivery administrators. The service delivery administrators are just there to assist and ensure the smooth running, the smooth allocation of works and tasks between the different people within the department on a day-to-day basis. So that is the SDA, Service Delivery Administrator. Next, we have the Power Automation and IoT Specialist. All right, so your Power Automation and IoT Specialist, PATS, are responsible for everything to do with the delivery of the solar and supporting of the power network that we run at Telco. So you know that Telco is into solar in a big way. We also do use solar on our own network to support our network and ensure that we never have power outages on that network. So the Power Automation and IoT Specialist is there to deal with all those power and solar needs. Because we are always on the cutting edge of technology, we're not only about solar in its traditional form, we are also doing a lot of automation. All right, so network automation, process automation, using a lot of Internet of Things type devices. So that all falls under the purview of the PATS, Power Automation and IoT Specialists. Under the Power Automation and IoT Specialist, he is supported or works with a team of PATTs, Power Automation and IoT Technicians. All right, so the IoT Specialist works with IoT Technicians, Power Automation and IoT Technicians, PATTs. All right, next, after the PATS, we have the Service Delivery Specialist. The Service Delivery Specialist is an expert at everything to do with the access network. He understands the different access technologies. He has a wealth of experience. He or she has a wealth of experience and exposure to the access network, both radio, fiber optic, copper, and is aptly able to support the telco network. Under the Service Delivery Specialist, SDS, we have several SDTs, Service Delivery Technicians, SDTs. The Service Delivery Technicians are responsible for the day-to-day operation, installation, and maintenance of the service delivery network. So they're experts at rolling out fiber, installing radio, installing VSAT. Okay, so the SDTs, Service Delivery Technicians. All right. Next, after the Service Delivery Specialist, SDS, we have our Outside Plant Supervisor, OSPS. Outside plant supervisor is responsible for, as the name says, outside plant. So outside plant is talking to the duct network, the fiber network that we bury under the ground, the poles, telecommunication poles that we plant to ensure that we can distribute and run our fiber network. Okay, so the outside plant supervisor is responsible for most of the infrastructure that is deployed on the outside to connect customers. All right. He is aptly supported by an outside plant foreman, OSPF, right? And the outside plant foremen run teams of general plant, of general hands. So OSPGH, outside plant general hands. All right. These are casual workers that will come in from time to time based on the amount of work that is available. And our outside plant foremen, OSPFs, manage teams of up to 20 outside plant general hands, OSPGHs. All right. So in a nutshell, in a few minutes, this is your quick deep dive into the Telco Operations Department. This will give you just an overview, and now I'm sure already you know your job title. You can see where you're placed in here, but this just gives you a general understanding and feel of what the rest of the Operations Department looks like, what the rest of the Service Delivery Department looks like. Just quickly skipping to the left-hand side where we have the Technical Directorate. We have three sections there. We've got the core network, the applications and systems managed network, and then the customer service center. All right. These are three departments that we will interact with, that you will interact with frequently, as we do run a whole ecosystem that is heavily dependent on different aspects. So remember that as your core network, as your service delivery network connects customers to give them the different services they need, we're going to need to work with the core network and the systems and application team. And lastly, whenever those customers will have problems, they'll contact our customer service center to create tasks or jobs for us to attend. So the left-hand side of the organogram is equally key. You can just get a quick glimpse there of what it looks like. But basically, it's three departments: the core network, the applications and systems network, and then the customer service center. All right. Welcome to Telco.